Hey guys, it is Keisha from Keisha Knows Nothing, or a little bit of something, and I am here to do a what's in my travel makeup bag video. I am actually traveling at the moment, so I thought what better time than now to do this video. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and thumbs up. This isn't a typical haul video, I guess, necessarily, but hey, I buy inexpensive things when I travel, so I don't do anything grand as far as my makeup when I'm traveling. And I'm in the bathroom of our hotel room, just in case you're wondering. But this is my bag. It says Hello Lovely, and this was a gift from, I think this was a gift from a friend, but it's by Ruby and Cash, and it's such a pretty bag, and this is actually the first time I've been able to bring it with me. I still have this thing on there, but I find this to be kind of handy actually. So here's the makeup bag. First thing is an eyeshadow palette. I've had this palette, y'all, forever, but it's the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette, and it has, do not judge me, okay, when you see this palette on the inside, but this is what it looks like. And I like it because it has this mirror, which is covered in product, but what are you gonna do? But yeah, it gets more use than you think it does. But yeah, it used to smell peachy, not anymore. But I like it. It's a good size, not too big. I don't think I would bring a palette much bigger than this on the road with me traveling, just because who has the space, like seriously. Revlon So Fierce mascara, and you can get this at your drugstore. This is a really good mascara. I was kind of worried because I don't really buy Revlon products. I usually stick with CoverGirl or Maybelline, but yeah, this is a really good mascara, and it's inexpensive as well. I also have my CoverGirl Outlast All Day Concealer, and this is in the color Deep, and this is a really good concealer. It doesn't crease or anything like that, so you don't really have to worry about setting it, and it works very well, and it's lightweight too. So I decided to bring my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro powder, and this does come with its own applicator. Has a mirror. This is in the color shade 250. So this works very well. It blends very well. It doesn't leave a white cast, so I do like that. And this is a new purchase for me actually, and this is from Juvia's Place, and it is the Afrique Blush by Juvia's. And this is the color, and this is very pigmented, you guys. This is super pigmented, very pigmented. Yeah, so a little goes a long way, and I like that it has the mirror in it, but this is a good blush for that. And I also have my BH Cosmetics Anti-Shine. I have combination skin, primarily oily skin, but it's combination because I do have some dry spots, and so but I do like this Anti-Shine from BH Cosmetics. A little goes a long way with this as well, and you can wear this if you decide you don't want to wear any foundation. I have a lot of those days actually. I have to fill in my eyebrows when I've no matter what, almost any day. If I want to look presentable, I need my eyebrows filled in. So this is the Maybelline New York Brow Sculpt brush, and this is it's basically like a mascara brush, but it's for your eyebrows. So, and this color is 260 Deep Brown. And I use this first, and then I follow it up with their Brow Ultra Slim pencil. Of course, you have to have your eyelash curler. This is not as scary as you think it is. And then I have my e.l.f. eyeliner, and normally I prefer to have just the regular stick eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, but this I've gotten used to using, and this works really well, and it does the trick. It's very black, dries pretty quickly. I like it. I like it a lot. And I have these tweezers. These are so cute. This was a gift for either my birthday or Christmas from a friend, and it's just so cute. How cute is that? I have no idea where she got it from, but gotta have some tweezers because you never know. And I brought just a few of my makeup brushes from home. They look a little dirty at the end, but they're clean. I haven't found a travel set for brushes yet. If you guys know of any, let me know in the comments, because I would prefer not to bring these long brushes, but hey, they fit for now. So, and this is my e.l.f. powder brush. This is for my foundation. It's very soft. I've had it for years. I really like this brush. And I have a good amount of lip glosses and lipsticks and liners. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna want to wear. And I think I have what is this? This is by Kiss. This is by Kiss. Kiss is a really affordable brand and they have good colors. This is by Bare Minerals. I like this one too. This is a Wet n Wild pencil. I also have a BH Cosmetics lip gloss. Here's another Wet n Wild pencil. And this is probably my favorite lipstick right now. And this is by, oh goodness, I'm forgetting. This is by Proper Beauty and it is in Victress. And last but not least, I want to mention face wipes. These are from Neutrogena. You can usually get these at the dollar store, not the dollar store. You can usually get these at your drugstore or at Walmart at the checkout. Sometimes they have these. I actually bought more from Walgreens. This is a bigger container just because I was scared that these might be dried out, which these are pretty much useless if they are dried out. So I bought a bigger one at Walgreens. So yeah, that is in my makeup bag. That's what's in my travel makeup bag. As you can see, it's a pretty good size makeup bag. So if it was smaller than this, then all of this obviously would not fit in there. So I would suggest keep it simple if you can when you're traveling. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video. Bye.